Hi there, Alim Karim here. In this video, I will try to demonstrate the SEO basics for Yoast and the tips and tricks that we're going to follow throughout our work. Also, here, some cases I will also show the Astra theme, how we can modify, how we can use the Elementor. Usually there are specific videos for those cases available in the YouTube. Best to see those, but I will just try to show tips and tricks, assuming you know a little bit of HTML and CSS, little bit, and you can also learn about the semantic markup in HTML. That is important to know the search engine and how search engine ranks. I will talk about this throughout as we progress. Okay, so here I have my Yoast plugin installed. So first time you should start with the first configuration, and first configuration is very important. Click on Start SEO Data Optimization. It should run it. Something failed, and we do not know what. We will check the data because there is no data. It's an empty website, but I have added the plugins that we have, and we have the website name, organization. Let's keep it the same, but usually the organization is the organization name, and the website name how we are targeting our audience. The best practice is to have like the keywords that we are targeting. For example, for our company name, we are targeting the top 5% Asian talent. So assume that if someone is going to search by this name, if they are going to, so they will find this site. So that is kind of the validity there. So this is how the name actually works. And the organization logo, you can just select and upload an organization logo. In my case, I have none here because it's a training, but for the real website we should do it. And then we use the social links. In this case, I have one ready. So here we can actually back up a bit and add other URLs as well, LinkedIn profile and other my profile and so on. So all the links, even the YouTube ones, should go into the social section. So do we want Yoast to collect the data? No, we don't. And we're done. And we can actually go to their website and learn Yoast from there. Okay, so Yoast first configuration is done. Here we have Astra Pro. What we are going to do is use a starter template and populate our site, not the AI. It generates a very crappy website. First, we're going to use the Elementor template, theme. We'll pick a theme and then we will start modifying and give the idea like how we do it. So for the first time, it takes some time to load since we have the premium one. We're going to start with agency, and we should use the premium one because we have the premium one. Okay, it really does not matter which one we pick. It will just help a little bit here and there. And this one is also very cool. So let's start with this one. Again, when we choose the theme for Astra, we have to upload a logo. In my case, I have a logo. Let me upload that logo. Okay, so I have imported the logo. Once we do that, we should fix all the text with the same text that we are using. For example, this is the one. And alternative text is the most important one for SEO, but try to fill out all of these nicely, and all of these stuff actually plays a vital role in SEO. For images, alternative is kind of the must. Okay, once we update the text based on the SEO that we are trying to do. So in this case, let's say I'm trying to do the SEO for my name and software architect and top 1% talent. These are the criteria that I'm assuming. But for example, if we are trying to target, let's say hire software engineer, these are generic targets, then whatever images that we bring, we should add the text based on those. Let's say whatever image that we include, we should mention it as best software engineer, best software engineer of Nepal, best software engineer of India. These are kind of like the keywords targeting that you can assume. Let's say if we are targeting around, let's say, hire engineers from India, that could be a buzz keyword, and people are going to search for it because people want to hire engineers from India. So if that is the case, then we should upload images and name them based on these keywords and try to add more, because there is no restriction on the title for the images. Try to add more so that it works better. And also when you upload the image, it's best to have the name there before you upload, because once you upload, you cannot change the file URL. There are some tricks, but best to have a good name in the file and then upload it. Do not have the gibberish name there. That does not scale in terms of SEO. So we have done it. So logo is there, but it's the black version, so I made a mistake. So I need to have the white version of the logo. So let me upload that. Came up here and the upload files, and then select files. Selected the white version of the logo, and now I just copy paste the same text here to there, and done. Now we can actually modify the logo size from here and there, and then we can also modify the coloring. So this is how it is with the default one. Let's keep it. Not sure why these are breaking up, but this shouldn't. Okay, now what we're trying to use, in this case, the default one is all right. If we're selecting for e-commerce, then we should select this. If we're taking sales and other stuff, then we pick those stuff as well. For now, this is absolutely fine. Continue. Name there. Okay, fine. Yes, I want to override things. So it will build and bring the demo stuff to our website. It will take some time. Okay, so we have successfully imported. Now we can view the template and the sample. It looks nice. Now we can start our work. Here for SEO, always try to see the source text, and the way you can get it by pressing Control U or Command U from Mac OS. So these starting parts are kind of very helpful to understand like what is the SEO for the content. Currently we haven't given anything yet, so nothing is there. So if I come up here and click on edit the page, if we click on edit, that will go to the basic editor, but we should always edit using the Elementor. And to only work with the SEO and content like this, we can also click on site settings first. Okay, so it bring the Elementor editor. It also has AI with it. We can probably use the AI for, let's say, a temp email. We can give it a try and give it a shot, but probably it does not stay for longer. I have to check how does this work. Okay, so once we're here, so this is the global settings for the site, the ones that we have provided, like the name and things. These are gone. Now we have to provide again. Let's say Alim or Karim SEO training site, and we can give another description that will help me to boost my site. Now you see in the description I have said best of the best training is provided by this site and this site, because this will help as a backlink. So this site I will never use to showcase to a client or anywhere, but this will work as a backlink. That means this will be provided to search engine, and search engine will understand that these sites are being referenced by other sites, and each different domain or subdomain they treat as a single site, even though they mark it with subdomains. But usually the general idea is each subdomain is also a new domain. So this is how the general idea goes, but there are some criteria to understand, like this is subdomain and so on. But these are different stories. I don't want to get into too much of this. And also we should always provide a fav icon, which is actually shows up here. I don't have it right now, but let's see. I do have a fav icon. It's this one. So I could say like frame site, or say SEO site, since it's SEO. Okay, so done. Now when we save, so these are the information also be used by search engine to understand your site. Okay, so we have done the site setting. Anytime now we want to go with the page setting, we just click on this gear icon on top, and we will see that it says Yoast SEO. We click on it and we add key phrases. Let's say we say SEO Alim Karim. Okay, get related phrases. So for that you have to create an account there. For now I don't have any account, I just put it here. It will also talk about the problems that we have in the page. So some of the things that you see already, it says like good job. If we go there, we will understand whatever that I said, like image should have an alternative text, title, and things like that. These are kind of very important. The page has a title, well done. The title with these actually matches. These are good things. If you go down, you see like how many things are good there. Use passive voice, consecutive sentences is enough, variety there. But the first page is not always about SEO. First page is about visualization, but we can keep some of the SEO here and there. But usually the SEO comes from the inner pages. The target things should be in the inner pages. Let's say we want to target this site as like the main boosting of, let's say, the SEO. If someone searches for like we want to hire SEO developers, SEO engineers, so that they find this site, also this site should refer to my site. That is the idea, let's say. That is the goal. Now, based on this, we have to structure each page and contents. Now, let's come from the errors that we have. So this is the key phrases that I have given. So first one, that it says outbound, no outbound link. Outbound link means some links should go from this site to other site. So this is important. You should have some links that should go to outside. For example, as I said, my site could be linked from here. So that will solve the outbound problem. For example, here it says I'm John. So I could say I'm Alim. I'm passionate about crafting exceptional, enhancing SEO. But usually we will not write contents like this. Oh, my bad. So it is not working as good as I am assuming. So I will jump into the content writing now, how we will do it. So whenever I have to make contents, the first thing I do is start a note in the Workflowy or OneNote. I have tons of notes. So that's why the note taking is a prerequisite for working in this section, or any places actually. If you don't take notes, you will be lost. So note taking is a very vital skill. Try to have this skill in your plate. Okay, now so some of the issues that I have, like page by page, I have listed there so that I could fix. And also I create a menu there, so what things that I need, things like that. But how the article is written, so these are like the brainstorming thing or mind mapping thing that you should do, or we should do before writing the content. And for this side, I will do the similar. So I have created my base content, and here I could make the top notes. First one is links, so whatever the links that I am working with. So this is the admin menu link, this is the site link, and pages, that whatever that I come up with, any link that I find, I could just put it there. Okay, now first one could be any notes or any thoughts, could be thoughts or ideas. So these are the top things that could come to my head. Menu, articles, topic, or we can say category. Okay, now we can enhance pages, and these are the top things. So any idea that comes to my mind will go in this section. Any menu that I could think of, let's say I could have a home menu, and this whatever that comes to my mind will go into this section. Whatever the articles that I could think of will go into this section. Now for the article, let's say this is a target for, let's say, SEO branding. So what are the keywords? General idea. First we will start with the general, and then we see the other tools. Probably we cannot include all the tools here, but I will give some pointers like which tools are best and which we should use. But just for now, the base cases, what are the titles and articles that we could write? We should do some brainstorming. Now, in 2 minutes, I came up with some of the ideas that you can see. So these are like general. So when you brainstorm, the idea is anything that comes to your mind, you should write it. Now, it does not have to be a good sentence, and do not have to be. So that's why do not rely on writing good sentences. Try to rely on ideas. For example, the best SEO that came to my mind, and these are the sub ideas that came to my mind. And then you see, like, there is one part that could be searched by many people, because this is actually kind of there in the air. Is SEO dead after AI? It's not, but people are going to search for it. For example, we'll do the keyword research furthermore, but these are kind of like the general ideas that I can think of. So first have the general brainstorming ideas of the title that we could work on. Now what we will do, we will create a prompt, and we say like, right, also we create a prompt section here, prompt section, and first we say like, act as a SEO expert with 15 years of experience, and please share keywords and variations of titles as I give you, and always do the same when I say next, and give you some keywords or some basic ideas. Can you do it? So this is one that will generate us the title and the keywords, the basic research part, we can say. The prompt is there, created the prompt, so we could say like title prompt, create the title prompt, and it can do it, it says. So now what we will do is, these are the basic ideas that we have. So we will say that next, and the keywords is best SEO developer, best SEO hire, SEO from Karim, so on, assuming titles, these that we have brainstormed. Okay, so it will give us furthermore. See, so what we will do is create another section like enhanced by AI, articles title, put it here. Now for each one of these we will work on, and each one of these the page actually needs to be created. Now you see like the first idea, how we generate the idea of having how many pages or what are the pages that we need based on some of the keywords that we had. So it made some mistake. That means I asked it to create or suggest me the keywords, but it didn't. I requested you for the keywords also, but you did not provide the enhanced keywords. Always provide enhanced keywords list and then the article titles possible or best suits for SEO. So this is like the second prompt that we did. So we update there. Now you see like we are getting the enhanced keywords for this as well. Okay. Now this is helpful. I'll take the keyword section and update this. So this is kind of like a basic section that these are the things that we have to do, and these are the prompts that we have used. And in the next video we will see like how we will see like how we can improve it.